Hello everyone, my name is Christina Mnawa, and today I will be going over e-waste. So as an overview, I will be going over the problem of e-waste, some examples, and course of action. So what exactly are e-waste? E-waste are discarded electrical or electronic devices, and between 20 to 50 million tons of e-waste are generated worldwide each year. Design for a dump is a key strategy of companies to sell lots of stuff, and it's also a key part of unsustainable materials economy. It means asking stuff to be thrown away quickly. Today's electronics are hard to upgrade, easy to break, and impractical to repair. And not to mention, they cost more to repair than to buy a new one. In 1960s, Gordon Moore, a semiconductor pioneer, predicted that electronics designers could double processor speed every 18 months, but it was interpreted the wrong way. They thought that every 18 months we had to throw out our electronics. Many of our gadgets are made from more than 1,000 different materials. They contain loads of toxic chemicals such as PVC, mercury, solvents, and flame retardants. IBM data revealed that its workers making computer chips had 40% more miscarriages and significantly more likely to die from blood, brain, and kidney cancer. Electronics are releasing toxins when we throw them away, and even while we're using them. A fat old TV can have as much as 5 pounds of lead, which can lead to lead poisoning. Companies are externalizing the true cost of production. So instead of paying to make facilities safe, the workers pay with their health, and instead of making them paying to redesign using less toxins, the villagers pay by losing their clean drinking water. Electronic waste include but are not limited to TVs, computer monitors, printers, scanners, keyboards, mouse, cables, circuit boards, lamps, clocks, flashlight, calculators, phones, answering machines, cameras, radios, VCR, DVD players, MP3 and CD players, kitchen equipment such as toasters and coffee makers, laboratory equipment such as hot plates and microscope. Workers in recycling operations have no protective gear, and they sit on the ground while they smash open electronics to recover valuable parts, and then they burn the parts that no one will pay for, which, as I mentioned, they release toxins. So while they're working, they're inhaling these toxic chemicals. Recycling operations are poisoning families in places such as India and Nigeria, and some of them don't even know the danger that these places cause. So, what can we do? Making companies deal with their e-waste is called extended producer responsibility or product take-back. If it was their problem, it would be cheaper for them to just design longer, lasting, less toxic, and more recyclable products. They made it, so they should deal with it. Companies could also make modular products. So what this means is that when one part breaks, they can just send us a new piece instead of the whole thing. So it'd be cheaper for us to fix our devices instead of buying a new one. But this all starts with us. We need to take action first in order to get the attention of companies. There are take-back laws in Europe and Asia and similar laws in US cities and states, but they need to be protected and strengthened. When we take our e-waste to recyclers, make sure that they don't send them to developing countries. When we buy new gadgets, make sure to buy greener products. We could also join with others and to demand stronger laws on toxic chemicals and on banning e-waste exports. We also need to be aware of what's going on. Dell is the first major computer manufacturer to ban export of non-working electronics to developing countries. They have partnered with Goodwill, allowing people to drop off old computers of any brand for free to be recycled. The products are either dismantled on site or sent to Dell's recycling partners. In summary, I went over the problems of e-waste, examples of e-waste, and what we could do to help this problem. These are my sources. This concludes my briefing. Remember to recycle your electronic waste, but make sure that they are recycled properly.